if you don't know what you want, then what do? It's almost like the sort of the Cheshire cat. Where do you want to go to, Alice? I don't know. Well, then it doesn't matter which road you choose. So clarity is really important. Clarity about a couple of things. What do we want as individuals with our lives? Call it your purpose or your mission, whatever you want to. What do we want as a team? What do we want as a family? And again, we talked about the concept of a nerve ring. Like a starfish has a nerve ring, a family has a nerve ring, a team has a nerve ring, which then coordinates the movement of the individual or the family or the team. So without clarity, that you can really not do anything. It's also important about not only about your purpose, but clarity about your work. What is it that I must do? An email comes in. Is this email for filing, for trash, or can I action it? So this clarity is really, I think, vital to be productive. Clarity about priorities as well, because often we want to organize and get organized, but we don't prioritize.